We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in today's video I'll show how you can charge Arlo Pro 3. So to start, obviously the hub or the power station does not need to be charged since it doesn't have any battery inside. It just connects to the AC power source directly. You are looking for the ways to charge the camera rather, not this hub. And there are ultimately two ways you can approach that. You can either use the the charger that you get in the box or from the box alongside the bundle itself. And the way you charge it is by putting this little charging magnet to its respective charging port, like that. It's magnetic, so it should pop right into its designed or designated space. Now simply plug your charger to power or connect it to power, plug it into an electrical socket. And as you will see now, the camera starts charging right away. There is also an alternative method that you can charge the battery of this camera rather than the whole camera itself. But first you'll need to take it out of its compartment, so press this button at the bottom part of the camera. As you can see, the camera pops right out, so take it out of its compartment once again. Here you'll find this, what is it, Type-C? No, that's the micro USB port. So simply find the wire that is micro USB. Give me a second here. I will find here it is, the required wire. It's already inserted into the charging brick. So just plug it in and the charging also starts. So that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.